Hey guys, it's Faith. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm just gonna do an unboxing for you guys. Now, as you all know, it was Black Friday this past weekend and obviously there's been lots of sales flying around. I went ahead and treated myself to some new stuff, mainly clothes at the moment. I did buy some other things, but they're currently still being shipped. So a few of the packages came and I just thought, why not unbox them on camera for you guys. Christmas is coming up, people want to treat themselves, which is exactly what I did. So I just thought, let me show you all what I picked up just in case you need some inspo. So it's autumn/winter, so lots of the things that I purchased are mainly that type of clothing, but if you're interested in that, definitely stick around. I'm not going to be trying on anything in this video, I don't think. I'm just going to show y'all what I bought. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So one of the first things that I picked up, it's been on my wish list for quite a while. It's a knitted dress. It says ASOS Design Petite Knitted Fit and Flare Mini Dress. This is what the dress looks like. It's just black and it comes out kind of like a skater skirt and it's got like flared sleeves. It was £25.60 down from £32 and I got it in a size 4. I'll insert some pictures at the side so y'all can see what it looked like on the model, just because I'm not going to be trying it on. But yeah, it's cute, it looks nice, and yeah, it's just like in a ribbed detailing. So yeah, that's cute and that's what I bought. So next I picked up this top. It's in this chocolatey color. It's got a zip running through, so it's like a half zip top. It's from Threadbare. Now this was sold out in my original size. I wanted to get it in a size 6 or a size 4, but I think I ended up having to get it in a size 8. Let's have a look. Yeah, size 8. So I'm not sure if it's gonna fit, but that's what it looks like. And the name of it was Threadbare Olive Polo Neck Jumper in chocolate brown. So yeah, that was £11.20 down from £24. So this is a bargain. I don't think I would spend £24 on a top like this. I hope it fits, but yeah, that's what it's gonna look like. To be fair guys, I feel like the sales were actually sailing. Like, I know it was Black Friday, so obviously you kind of wanted to get great stuff. I saw a lot of Puma jumpers on ASOS that were like £30 and then down to £10, £8. Lots of them, like lots of different colors. I've got Puma jumpers in like loads of different colors already. I wanted to get one in blue, but I don't know, the color was a bit odd, and I usually just buy them from the men's section because I kind of like their colors more, and then some of them are like a different shape, so it just feels like a bit more baggy, and that's what I like. But this was from the women's section, I believe. I am not sure how I'm gonna feel about this because this is in extra small, but it's just in this color that's like a bit sandy. I don't know if it's coming off as light on camera as it actually is. I feel like on camera it's coming off a bit darker, but it's just got the small Puma logo there. I had to get it in the extra small because that's the only size they had left. So this is the Puma Essential small logo sweatshirt in oatmeal. Well, that's what they call it, but then when it says color it says beige. I got it in an extra small and I paid £11.40. The original price was actually £38. So this is what it's gonna look like. I'm not sure if it's actually gonna fit me as nicely as I would like. If it can't fit me, I'll just give it away to somebody else. It is Christmas that's coming up, so I might just gift it to someone. But then again, I'm quite small, but I do like my jumpers to be a bit on the baggy side, so we'll see. I might just wear it in the house if I don't want to wear it out. So I have been refraining from buying new pairs of jeans just because I've got loads of jeans already. I did want to pick up some cargos, but my size was like out of stock, so I'm probably going to pick up some a bit later on in the week. Hopefully tomorrow is Cyber Monday. I'm filming this on Sunday and I'm trying to be quick because Germany and Spain are playing in the World Cup, so I need to hurry up and film this. I bought these trousers, but I feel like they look completely different to what they looked like on the website. So I'll tell y'all what it's called. This said ASOS design chino trousers in black. I got them in a size 4. I paid £12 for them and the original price was £20. I don't know if I like them. In the picture the lady did have them rolled up, but I don't know, the material seems a little bit interesting. Probably not something that I would have went for, but I feel like in my mind this was what I envisioned. I just hope once I try it on it will be nice and that it will be long enough. But the back, I don't know, it looks weird. Hopefully when I try it on it will look a lot better. But yeah, that's one thing that I picked up. That was the only pair of trousers, just because I'm putting myself on a trouser ban. But the chinos looked nice on the model, so I just thought let me pick it up, because sometimes you just want a nice pair of black trousers, you know. These last few items are dresses. See, sometimes I'm really picky when it comes to buying dresses online, just because sometimes the way how it looks on the model is not how it's going to look on me, and that can just be quite frustrating, and I don't like having to return things. But I did get ASOS Premier, so if I do need to buy something else it will come very quick. So this is the dress that I purchased. I wanted to get like quite a few like cutesy tea dresses, or just easy things that you can throw on and just style easily. I don't like having to think too much when I'm trying to figure out an outfit, and dresses are that all important one piece that you can just put on. You don't have to think too much about it. So this is a mini smock dress in navy and green floral. It's from AX Paris. It's just this little floral dress. I don't know what I think about it. Part of me thinks that it's gonna be too short, because I don't know, it's really thin. I wouldn't say that it's see-through per se, just because it's a dark color, but this is going to be a borderline purchase, like literally borderline. I may or may not return it. I can't tell just yet. So the original price of this dress was £45 and I paid £14.50 for it. The reviews were pretty good on it. It had 4 out of 5 stars, so I just decided to bite the bullet. But now that I actually bought it, I'm not quite sure. And I don't think that this dress is worth £45, like in general. Look at it. Like I said, I'll put a picture up for you guys, and you guys can tell me in the comments if you think it's worth £45, because personally I don't. Maybe when I try it on I might think more of it, but as of present I don't think it's worth £45. On to the last dress. It is also something that I might return, just because the sizing might be a bit off, but hey ho. It is this dress here that is super long. That's what it looks like. So it's this Brave Soul Petite Juliet roll neck jumper dress. It's in the color Porch Red. I got it in a size 6. It is the petite version, so there were different like sizes. So there was like the tall version, the petite version, and then there was like just a regular. And I paid £16 for it, and it was down from £26. The reviews on this one was a bit, it was 3 out of 5 stars, so I'm not quite sure. I might return it, but I bought this because I wanted something that I could layer. So I've got like jumpers that I could wear over it, or just something with a coat that you can put on with some nice boots, and it'll just look nice and cute. So I bought that for this reason, but part of me thinks that it might be way too long. Obviously it does kind of look like a bodycon style dress. I don't know how the sizing's gonna play out, but we'll see. So that's all the stuff from one package. Those are like clothes stuff. On to the next package. So the first thing that I purchased were some gloves, just because winter is approaching. I realized that when winter comes I never buy gloves. Like I never buy gloves, even though I'm always out, I just don't buy them. And it's mainly because I'm holding my phone in my hand and I want to type. But I did buy gloves that you can use with the touchscreen. At least I think that's what it said on the website. This is the brand that I purchased, and it was just a one size fits all. They were £3.99. They were pretty basic. I was just looking for a basic pair of black gloves, and I'm gonna tell you all the story as to why I purchased them actually. So the next product that I'm going to open up for you guys, I had my eye on it for a while, so I just wanted a basic black puffer jacket that was short. Now this puffer jacket started off at £65, and as Black Friday was approaching, the price started dropping. So it went from £65 to £45, then it went to £38. That's when I bought it, at £38, but it kept getting sold out. So I was just like, right, babe, just buy it. But in my mind I was like, this is gonna drop, this is gonna keep dropping. It dropped to £30 like a couple of days after I bought it. And then you could have added another discount on top of that, so like another 30% or another 25%, just whatever ASOS had on that day. But I could have gotten student discount on top of it, so I bought it at £38 instead of £30, and I just felt like I took an L. I felt like I took an L. The thing is, I could return it and get the other one for £30 and then save £8, or probably save £12, but it keeps getting out of stock, so there was just no point. And then I just added the gloves on so I didn't have to pay for delivery. But anyways, I'm gonna show you all the jacket, and it's in this big bag. I really hope that this jacket is going to be nice, because I feel like I went through a lot for it. So it's just this basic black puffer jacket, like I said. It's got adjustable straps on the bottom, so you can make the bottom tighter, and you can also make this side tighter. For the hood isn't lined, but inside of it isn't lined either. Let's see. Let's try it on. So this is what it looks like. I feel like I could have sized up in this, because by the time I put on a jumper or a hoodie, that's it. Like, there's no space at all. I think I could size up and get size 10 actually, and then that way I could adjust it if I felt like it was too big, because I can adjust the bottom. But I don't know, I'm gonna put a picture up here. I think I'm gonna return this one and get size 10, because I can't really wear anything underneath it. I can't wear a jumper comfortably and like bend my arms, I don't think. So I might just return it and get size 10 at this point. So those are all the things from ASOS that I bought. And then I bought myself some shoes from Office. Anyways, these are the shoes that I bought. I finally picked myself up some Docs. Now, I bought these about a month ago, but then I was sick and the size that I bought couldn't fit me. I was a bit concerned because I bought a size 4 and they obviously don't have half sizes in too many sizes, and I panicked, so I returned the ones that I bought because I also thought they weren't the exact ones that I tried on in store. And then I picked up these ones in a size 5, but I think I might have to return these too. I feel like the size 5s might be too big. Like, look at that. My foot is a size 4 foot. I'll tell you guys which ones I bought. So this is the 8 Eyelet lace-up boot, and it's the black one, obviously. But if you go on Office's website, it has a code, so it says M and it says F. I think first I bought the M one, and I don't know if that was the male one because the shape of it was a little bit different, whereas this one's the F, and I don't know if that's a female one. This looks more like the one that I tried on in store, but obviously this now looks massive, so I feel like I'm gonna have to get the 8 Eyelet, the F version, but in a size 4, and hopefully that will help. But I think I'm just gonna go into the store and try it on so that I don't have to keep returning it and waiting. But yeah, I'm not gonna unbox, I'm not gonna open the whole thing because I just feel like I'm gonna have to wrap it back up now. But this is what I got, the Doc Martens. I'll pop a picture up of them for you guys so you can see. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. That's it that I bought from this set of deliveries, and then I've got a few more deliveries coming during the week. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you press the subscribe button if you enjoyed this content and press the thumbs up. I will be putting in pictures for you guys, but I just couldn't try them on today. It's a lot of stuff, and I'm not gonna lie, but Filming try on videos stress me out. I've done it once and I've tried to film a few more in the past, but I just never uploaded them, so I just thought I'd just do an unboxing for you guys. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it, and yes, I hope to see you guys in my next video, and until next time, bye.